Project Command. Stand by to power transfer. Time is X minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The drone performance team is almost 30 high school students from all across the district, and we work to put on drone shows for local communities and also companies that reach out to us.
The skills that these kids are learning all the way from the beginning is working with clients. That is face-to-face interaction with clients. And then from there, it's all about animation design. What's the vision that the client has in their mind?
Most animations that are used, it's a flat 2D image and it has many layers like chopped up for coloring and animating. It's a challenge to see what the audience would see and then what you would see if anything's working correctly and in order.
And then the students are then able to take that information that they've gained from the client and actually interpret that and digest that and put that into Blender, Cinema 4D, handful of different 3D animation programs that they teach right here at the school. The most important part of this, and something that we are very serious about, is proper authorization and safety.
A couple weeks leading up to the shows, when we start looking at the campus, what we're able to do, what we're able to use, best views.
And the students being able to work with the FAA, submit airspace authorizations, submit waiver requests. Then at that point, we kind of get boots to the ground and we start testing these shows. And that's where they start to understand the technology that's behind these drones. Not just the drones, the network that goes into it, the power that goes into it, the lighting that goes into it. There's so many different aspects that go into it. And that's before you even sit behind the desk and actually fly the drones.
And in this whole process, we're all learning something new. There are not that many drone show companies in the world, and for our district to have the opportunity and the ability to share this with high school students is incredible. One of my favorite things is during the day, my entire staff is in high school classes. And then meanwhile, we're still learning and working, communicating. And then when it's go time, they're ready to go and ready to work.
But then they get to get out here, and the great thing is the students fly these shows, which is still amazing.
I think the thing that I'm most proud of is the fact that so many people here are going into actual careers because of this, really demonstrating that what we're doing here at the Innovation Center is producing actual career paths for our futures.
I would say endless opportunities. I mean, I think about when I was in high school and having something like this. I would have done anything to have something like this. And obviously drone shows are just a tip of the iceberg for the Innovation Center.